I want to ask you something. How in control of your money life did you feel in 2024? Did you feel confident, or did money seem to slip through your fingers despite your hard work? This year, let's change that. Let's step into 2025 with clarity, control, and a system to manage, grow, and save your money. Today, I will share three simple but powerful steps to take charge of your money life and set yourself and your family up for success. Stay till the end because I've also created a free worksheet to help you get started on this journey. Hi, I'm Priyanka Bhatia, your money coach and co-founder of Women on Wealth. Over the years, I've worked with thousands of women just like you, working professionals, mothers, and dreamers who want financial freedom but they don't know where to start. The truth is, taking charge of your money life isn't about earning more money. It's about learning how to manage and grow what you have. And trust me, you can do this. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone who's taken a few steps already, this video is here to guide you. Step 1. Take stock of your financial landscape. The first step to taking charge of your finances is to gain a clear understanding of where you stand. Think of it like checking the weather before you plan your journey. You need to know what's happening to prepare effectively. Here is how you can get started. 1. Identify your assets. What do you own? Your savings, your investments, or property. Assess your debts. What do you owe? Loans, credit cards, etc. Map your cash flow. How much is coming in, your incoming, how much is going out, your expenses. This exercise will give you the clarity that you need to make informed decisions. I know it sounds like a lot, but I promise it's simpler than you think, especially with the worksheet I've created to guide you through it step by step. Step 2. Build a money system. Next, let's talk about building a system for your finances. Why? Because without a system, it's easy to feel overwhelmed or lose track of your goals. Here is how you can create a simple yet effective money system. Automate your savings. Set up a recurring deposit or an SIP, systematic investment plan, so that money is saved or invested as soon as you get your salary. Allocate money for specific goals. For example, a family vacation fund, an education fund for your children, or a retirement fund. Track your progress regularly. This could be as simple as checking your expenses and savings every week using a notebook or an app or a free worksheet. Having a system helps you stay on track without feeling stressed about money all the time. Step 3. Learn to grow your money. Saving is great, but if you want financial freedom, you need to grow your money. And for that, you need to start investing. Now, I know investing can feel intimidating. There is so much information out there, and it can be hard to know where to begin. But here is what I tell every woman I coach. Start small, start simple. You can begin with mutual funds. It's great for beginners, easy to manage. You just learn the step-by-step methodology to pick good quality mutual funds. Public Provident Fund, it's a safe government-backed option for long-term savings. Stocks, once you're comfortable, learn how to handpick good quality stocks. Remember, investing is not about quick gains. It's about building wealth steadily over time. And in our Women on Wealth community, we teach you how to do this step by step. Why this matters. Now, why is all this important? Because as women, we don't just manage money for ourselves. We influence how our families think about and handle money too. By taking charge of your finances, you are not just creating a secure future for yourself. You're teaching your children the right money habits and setting an example they'll carry for life. Imagine your children growing up with financial confidence because they saw you leading by example. That's a legacy worth building, isn't it? Let's make 2025 your year. This new year, don't just set resolutions, take action. Start by downloading the free worksheet I've created for you. It's called the Financial Freedom Starter Kit, and here is what's inside: a template to help you gain clarity about your numbers, a system to allocate your money and track progress, a guide to identify your first investment step. So click on the link, download your free worksheet, starter kit, and start your journey today. And if you're ready to dive deeper, join our free introductory webinar where we will walk you through these steps in detail and help you take charge of your money life. Ladies, this is your year. Let's step into 2025 with clarity, confidence, and financial freedom. Until next time, keep growing, keep glowing, and remember, you've got this. We've got you.